How to make cornrow braided wig. Okay, I'm going to break it step by step so that you will understand it. First of all, you need to sew your lace wig cap. Okay, but if you already have already made, that would be nice. After sewing, cut out the excess lace if there is any. Mark the lines before cutting the black net under if you're a beginner. Is to help you trace the lines after cutting to avoid mistakes. When you are done cutting the net, after sewing, you pick any extension of your choice, cut it into your desired length. Here, I cut this one into 3. Pick it and brush it properly to avoid tangling. Tie your thread at a comfortable place and start braiding as many as you can. Take your needle and thread, that is if you cannot use crochet needle, and tag the braided hair first with your needle and thread before sewing it to the net. After you finish sewing it, you tight it enough, very strong enough, so that it won't lose before you cut the thread. Keep sewing until you fill up the needed areas. Now the first stage is done and dusted. Next is the feeding cornrow. Please start with the small quantity of hair first, followed by increasing the volume of the hair as you go. Ensure to crochet on a straight line. That is if you have to make a straight cornrow. If you are the type that don't know how to ventilate, you can be crocheting it one by one, that is one after the other, like this. The style we are making today is 3 steps. And we will keep cornrowing until we fill the whole space. The feeding cornrow is being made in a straight line. And in case you don't know, this particular one is the second step. The first step was 1-1. That's the beginning side, the very first one we sewed. Before I forget, if you are new to my channel, you're highly welcome. If you have not subscribed, please try to do so, because in this channel you're going to be getting an authentic videos on how to make a wig and more. Second stage is completed. Now we are to complete the last stage. The style we are making on this wig is C-curve line. On this last stage, make sure to cornrow it accordingly. Please, the cornrow must be step by step at this front side. Then the inside ones will stop where the cornrows started. Can you check out the C-curve line? Then check out the natural look. Isn't this lovely? It's very beautiful. Please don't forget to comment, to like, and also to share. You never can tell who will be in need of it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate. Now we are at the final stage, the completion of the braiding. Please don't forget to click on the notification bell below so that you can be notified each time I post a new video. Oh yes, we are done with the braiding. The next thing to do is to dip it inside hot water with a conditioner to soften it. After the hot water, you apply a little essential oil or any other hair cream just to make it shine. And here is the final look, guys. The wig is ready. Can you see it? The wig is ready to go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.